Hi there everyone and welcome to today's video. So since I've finished my first term at uni and I have pretty much established a morning routine for myself, I thought I'd share it with you and just show you what my mornings would normally look like. Yeah. Before we get started, I'd just like to say that not every morning goes exactly to plan and not every morning looks like this, but I do try to stick. I do pretty much do similar things every day, and this is just what the average day would look like. I am quite a morning person, so I tend to be more productive in the morning. So I also wake up at an early time, which is probably ridiculous for most people. So that pretty much sums up what my mornings look like. I do know that it is quite productive and some people might not like that, but I just like to do stuff in the morning. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the notifications bell. I will see you next time.